Hello everybody, welcome back to the stream. Today is day 33. As always, if you're a new viewer, I welcome you. If you're a regular viewer, welcome back to the stream. As you all know, the main purpose of the stream is just to help anybody with any computer issues or problems that they might have. I might be able to find a solution or recreate it on my system or find an alternative one. As for me, I will be fixing my own issues. If you have any questions, just ask in the chat below. Why is this not working? No, thanks. Um, oh hey Sayo. Back then on the Windows with VirtualBox, I always connected the iPhone directly before everything was booted up and not in the middle of the OS. Oh really? Well, I have here like I'm trying to make the iPhone appear here directly pass through. That's what I that's what I did here. I did USB host and connected this here, but it still doesn't show it. I'm just gonna disconnect it and try it again. Let's see it there. Because what I did first was that I first connected the phone, then added it, then turned on the machine. At least that's how I did it, but it's still not popping up. That's the part that has me a little bit confused. So I am just trying to fix that. This is, it just doesn't see it. Okay, maybe I need to change a different controller. Controller. Let's add a USB. And let's use USB 3. macOS generally doesn't like this, so it's like if it works, it works, and if it not, then it's not like a debug. No, I get your point. Like I'm just trying to do this. If you have seen the chat on Discord, a person requested if they could because they're trying to do this. Because I did make on a previous video and for myself a physical Mac OS. I installed it on a system using OpenCore, and it detected the phone. So I'm guessing it does work, but on a virtual machine, I guess it's just it needs different configuration. I'm not 100% sure, so I'm just brainstorming right now. I've been at this for some time. I take like a pause and then I go back to it. Weird. I can't add this. Okay, wait. Let's just turn it off. Force off. Oh, is that so? Well, even if it doesn't want to work like that, I know it has issues. I still want to try to figure it out if there is a possibility on how it works. I still want to give it a try. That's mostly what I like to do. I just troubleshoot. But thank you for that information. I didn't know that. I haven't touched Mac in a long time. Mostly I just do the virtual machines and just play around with it for a little bit. Not really much of a fan, a Mac OS fan. Okay. Let's try that. USB 3. USB hose and start it. It had to be USB 3 or 2 on the hose, no hub, and I didn't use any extra bootloader for Mac. That much you can remember. Oh, okay. Well, the way that I made these ones, it's just a guide that I found on GitHub. Some of them have like a lot of configuration, but others are just a little bit more simple. So, yeah. Huh? I wonder. This, I really don't know much about Mac. I gotta try something different. I release and look up macOS and Workstation Pro, and you just patch it Windows and then edit the config. Oh really? I'll need to look into that. Workstation Pro, I'm guessing you're talking about VMware Workstation Pro. VMware Workstation Pro was actually a lot easier. I just never had the curiosity to actually use an iPhone because this is actually not mine. I just borrowed this for a few minutes. But I guess it's not working so far. I need to try a different test. But that's alright. I guess I'll try something different. Mac is a little bit confusing to me. I even tried to use an Android as well to see if the same thing happens, but it doesn't do anything. Sometimes my computer doesn't want to see it. Which is a little odd. I know I am on a Linux. Ah, there it is. Pixel. It does see my phone. Wait, they actually use a separate PCI? Like an actual physical one? What? My god, Apple, why do you make this so complicated? We just want to use it. Oh, that's surprising. Well, not surprising, more like, damn. Let's try to remove that. Let's see, I'm gonna try again if it detects my pixel. Here it is. Like, I really don't mind the Mac. I just hate how they're like very exclusive, everything. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, Camel's really good because I noticed using Camel actually boots system faster comparing to other virtual hypervisors. Supposedly to boot up with Camel and Virtual Manager, those are the fastest. VirtualBox still takes a little bit longer. I have tried to use VMware on Linux Workstation Pro, but I had a lot of difficulties with it. Like sometimes it would load or ask you for modulars, download a different version, and for whatever reason, it sometimes crashes my system. Like I try to use it in I think it was in 2 weeks back streaming, and I decided not to use it because I noticed it crashed my system. So I had to log out, close everything, and just log back in so I can actually load the system. VirtualBox works, but sometimes I have issues with that. But that I don't really, it doesn't bother me that much. So that's why I like got so used to using Virtual Machine Manager because it's really useful. Uh, it had so many features. System settings. If I understand this more, then maybe I could just figure it out. Or maybe it's just not a restriction. Maybe it's just something turned off. I use bare bones. No, what's bare bones? Oh, bare metal. Okay, okay, okay. Sorry, man. That was just the first time someone type using hardware as bare bones. I always heard it as bare metal. My mistake. I am actually waiting uh, for for a camera, because I wanted to show you guys some machines that I do have there that I want to like check them or see if I can repair them in real time. I mean, on the stream. I don't really do soldering, but I just want to see if I could tinker around with it. Same goes with a Raspberry Pi that I have. And I read in the GitHub post about... Oh really? That's interesting. Okay, iPhone 1 appear in virtual machine. Oh really? Let me see that. Fox length. Fox length. macOS simple KBM. Tools to set up a quick macOS virtual machines in camera. Oh, this one. Get started. Pop OS, zipper, step 1, jumpstart, download the media, okay. Step 2, use an empty disk. Okay, this is similar to the one that I did on a video and also a guide. This one's actually very similar. And the issue is 221 about USB iPhone mounting. Oh wait, really? Wait, issue 221? Oh, okay. Ah, here it is. Oh wow, 2020. How can I get past through? Is it possible, Mr. I haven't tried doing the same one. Android is super easy. Android? I'm trying to do Android now on my phone. I'm using Ubuntu and it's facing the same cameras. I struggle with UDEP configuration. I give up, but the solution I found is to dedicate a USB controller to the virtual machine. I follow some blogs, can't find them, but I dump my notes. I want to see that. Put kernel with IOMU. Find controller. Oh, maybe this one will work. Okay. there's more. Let's see what else I can find. I'm gonna leave that one open. I'm gonna add these nodes. I struggle. So I managed to do it, but macOS doesn't recognize anything. They show up in the USB section information, but not in the Finder. Mount does not work too. Oh, that's the other issue that the person had. They can see it on the USB section. Oh, this is what you were talking about. Funny thing is, I do have one of these, but there's but I don't have a PCI slot, so I can't try it. Ah, damn it. Ah, that sucks. Well, after a lot of things, I figured out the only way to mount USB in camera, not bird shit. Just for one time use only. You can disconnect and replug it and still have it. As you can see in the screenshots, USB drive show us still get full mounted but at least USB. Yeah, I can't even get that yet. Let's see what else is in here. Where does one use that? That would be the device manager of this thing. Why is understanding Mac so difficult? How can people think this is simple? Where is that symbol? Oh, really? Left up. About this Mac. Okay. More info. This. Click on the Apple, then about the system. Here it takes me to system report. Oh, thank you, Sado. Let's see that. USB. Let's see, it's the keyboard, the USB. Add. Did I mounted the phone? Yeah, it's mounted. Doesn't even it just shows up as a no. Wait, the number. The vendor. 18 4 EE1. No, I don't think that matches. Okay, no. Hacking tool. Do I run it inside of the Mac? Oh, okay. Like, I know that works. Hacking tool. The Switch Army Blade for Vanilla Hackintosh. Display tools. Add USB port limit patch. Plug and unplug USB. And generate the kegs. Oh, this can generate the kegs. Okay. Okay, here's how it looks. Okay. Okay then, let's give it a try. Let's see. Hacking tool. Allow. Okay, that's really neat. It is unidentified. Okay, I think I remember how to check that. I think it was in I think it was in I think it was here. Security. Okay. Here it is. Thank you. Yeah, open anyway. Yeah, check out automatically. Okay, so let's see. connectors, USB, this is, what is this for? Delete, clear, refresh, inject, import, export. Okay, inject. This. Okay, so we can use this to see that this. Okay. PCIe. USB controller. I need to check something here. Go back. Let's see. These are service dump. I think I have an idea. Okay, that's not there. L S USB. Here's my phone. Let me do something different here. I'm gonna change the mode. Plug in your file or ensure it's set to file. Okay, I'm gonna change it to file transfer. Let's see something. Let's see if that works. Okay. Okay, USBs. I still see them there. What does it say here? Yeah, I did use OpenCore. On a physical laptop, I did the same thing. I did OpenCore, and I was able to connect an iPhone on it because I remember where I map it. I could just try to remap it, but oh wait, I think I have an idea. Okay, the logs of. What you mean the logs of OpenCore? If OpenCore sent it, it will log the boot. Okay. I haven't actually tried that far. Okay, that program I have used it. EFI. I remember that one. That one was called Mount EFI. It was. No, it's not that. Here it goes. This guy. Mount EFI. I remember this one. I know I used another one to modify it. I mean to add the kegs. I I did see it. I guess I was just anxious. So if I remember correctly, I needed to mount this one. if I... No, there was one... Kex, here we go. So... I'll see, remember... I think it's... Is it this one? That yes, this is the one. Yeah, okay. Yeah, there's nothing so far. No tools, no. Here, I think if I add other kegs. Because this one was actually easier for me to understand. Okay, this one, I needed to add... Oh god, I don't remember my own guide. I needed to open the config. Yeah, it is pretty simple. That's why I chose this one. I just don't... I think it was... No, not that. My god, I haven't used this in a while. Open... Okay. Update the version. It's 1.06. Wait, what if... I have... No, that's not what I'm looking. I haven't done this. Oh, my mind is blacked out. I haven't done this in a while. Gotta upgrade and then open your config. Yes, I do remember. Too many things open. Oh, really? Oh, thank you. Let's see, check for Kex update. Ah, there we go. Sweet. Okay, now we have the latest. Super. Windows O. No, I think it's not detecting it.